You want to reach me, you want to actually get my attention, then whether it's a phone call, a direct message on social media, an email, or anything else, you better have a message to tell. You better have something which is interesting me. You better actually have done your research on why I should actually get in contact to you. If you just actually call me and just don't leave a message, and this doesn't even matter even if I have your phone number stored. If you are actually going to send me a DM or anything else which looks like one of these standards, like here is how I can improve your life, here is how I can do this, here is how I can sell your services, here is how we can generate leads for you or something like that, I don't give a whatsoever for it, because in the end it's like I'm getting tons of these messages. I'm getting lead generators every day, I'm getting salespeople every day, I'm getting people who want to actually pitch investment ideas to me every day. All of this comes in every day, whether it is on any one of these medias. So if you want to actually grab my attention, then better leave a message which is tailored to myself, which is actually telling me a story, and which actually is interesting enough so that I'm going to come back to you. By the way, I'm doing exactly the same when I go into a different region or geo and I want to talk to other leadership people or other interesting people in that geo. I'm going to actually reach out to these people and do exactly the same. I try to reach out to the resistance, get their attention. I try to reach out to the people directly. I try to get in contact over other people. This is what I'm going to do to actually reach out to other people, and trust me, it's actually working, but you need to be willing to spend the time. If you just actually follow down a roadmap of standardized procedures, that might trigger some people, but in the end it's not potentially triggering the right people. So be sure to leave a personalized message to the people you really care about and you want to talk to, and I'm pretty sure they will come back to you.